Hello everyone, and welcome to this Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to unsilence calls on your iPhone so you can receive calls from unknown numbers without them being automatically silenced. So, let's get started. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, find and tap on Phone. This will open the Phone Settings page, where you can manage various calling features and options. Inside the phone settings, scroll down until you find the Silence Unknown Callers option. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the Stack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. Now, if Silence Unknown Callers is enabled, calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts may be automatically silenced and sent to voicemail. To unsilence these calls, simply turn off the Silence Unknown Callers toggle. Once the option is disabled, your iPhone will ring normally when receiving calls from unknown numbers, allowing you to answer them just like any other incoming call. This can be useful if you are expecting calls from businesses, delivery services, new contacts, or anyone who is not already saved in your contacts list. That's it. You have successfully learned how to unsilence calls on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.